Hi all, I'm back. This time we are going to do the contact form. So let's make some space here. Let's close that down a bit. Let's go into the index.html. I won't lie to you, there is a bit involved in this. Not too scary. It's yeah, it's good fun. Let's just do it, shall we? So what section is this, and how did I note it before? Team section. So let's do contact section. So we need a section with an ID of section content section 4. There we go. And as per norm, we're going to do a div with the class of content. So we can actually just write that. It'll do it for us. There we go. Right, let's give it a h1 and say contact. Save that. Go down to contact, and nothing happens because have we actually added that? No. So let's take the ID from here, copy, and go up to here, click there, save, contact, there we go. So let's go back down here, and actually let's just note that up. Scroll to top, button. Right, let's just make some room here. So what we want to do is first open a form, and I'm going to give it a class of contact form. There we go. Action. I'm not going to put an action in there because that usually contains the URL of where this form is going to be sent to. And as we aren't hooking it up with anything just yet, I'm just going to leave it blank. And if it's blank, it sends it to itself. So let's leave it at that. And just because I want to, I'm going to put method post. So if you were sending it off to another page, you'd be using the post method. In PHP, you would grab that the post values, but don't worry about that for now. That's just me being anal. So we're going to create a div for inputs. So let's do that. Now within here, I'm going to put oops, I'm going to tidy up the mess I've just made, and then I'm going to do span, and in here put name, and then under there I'm going to do an input, and the type is going to be text. Yep. And also I'm going to put a placeholder, which means the text you'll see within the input by default won't actually do anything. It's just gives you a hint of what's required. There we go. Save. There you see it. So we've got the name. We could just use label there, but whatever. In fact, we could put a label around the whole thing, but I'm going to do it this way. Let's do one for email. So basically we're doing the same thing. So let's just grab that, copy, paste, email, and the type, so email, and here is email. Save. There we go. What else do we want? I suppose we want somewhere to put the message. So again, let's grab this. Let's scroll down so we can see what we're doing. Message. And this time we'll have a text area. So don't need any of that. Text area. And we can give this a name. Actually, we should give them all a name, to be honest, but in fact, I'm just going to leave that out for now. Should we give it an ID? Yeah, why not? ID equals make body, message body, and save that. So we've got a text area, right? We actually need to close text area. Doesn't look right, does it? Text area. What's wrong there? Somebody tell me. So I'm going to go text. Oh, it's okay. Save. Okay, it didn't auto refresh for some reason. Okay, anyway, you've got the idea, but in here we need message. And again, contact. So put messages, save, and it's doing it now. Okay. And also then after there, we're gonna put another inputs class with, this time we want a button, and we want to give that a type of submit. What we're going to call it, well, not call it, but text on the button is going to be send email, send, there we go. So it's all there. In actual fact, I think it probably is a good idea to give these names. So name, this is just to future proof it. So name, we're just going to say, well, name, name equals email, name equals body, and may as well submit, because you'd have to check if that was clicked. So there you go. So why have I done that? Because if you send this form off to another page where the script lies to sort this out, then it's going to be referencing the names. So it'll look for, just to give you an idea, post name. So in PHP, if you were referencing this, you'd be catching this post, which is this whole form, and in particular you want the name, so you'd be grabbing this input. So that's why I put name in. That's for a future video if you want me to do that. So we've done the form. How long has that took us? Nearly 10 minutes. So should we do, I think we'll leave it there, and in the next one we'll style it up. So give you a chance to get this far and really get to grips with it. So I'll see you in the next video.